Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Beginner teaches Python programming to himself. Today we'll review for loop. For loop, as per my opinion, for loop is the most beautiful program in Python. It is such a condensed program that it is written only for. This three-letter for has a condensed meaning in that one. We'll see with some example. For example, I say this one L is a list, open, close square bracket. So I take this empty list and I want to append it now. So I'll use for loop as a demonstration. I will simply write for I in range 5. Okay, colon. Now here I'll write the comment. What is the meaning of range 5? Range 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 only. The last one is not included. So there are 5 indexes. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for I in the range 5, I want to append in the list. Okay, that list is empty. So we want to append it. So I'll say L dot append and I'll say I. Okay, and then I'll say print L. Okay, so this is the demo of for, and what will happen in that I will explain it here. This is the list 1 to 5. Then I, for example, I wrote this program L is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I said for I in L print I. So what will happen exactly? I can take anything. Here I am. Mostly people are taking I. For I in so and so print so and so, like this. I can take for I in L also. I can take John, for John in L, for Mary in L, anything, but you have to maintain that. So while declaring print, if you have taken X, then print X. If you have taken, for example, for Rajesh, then print Rajesh. That means whatever you say for that letter or that element is assigned as a iterating agent. Okay, so here what will happen exactly? This I will go in the list. It will iterate means repeatedly go and grab. It will take the 0th element, and as the command print I, so it will print this 0. Then it will go to the next index and it will catch that and it will print here. Okay, second one. Then it will go, this is called iterating, to the next, that is number 2. Then it will iterate to 3, and likewise it will be printing this. Okay, and it will go to the 4, that is second last, it will print, and the last one will not be print. So whatever is the length of the list, that many things will be printed. Here length is 5, so 5 elements will be printed. So this is the iterating action. Okay, now we want to see it happen. So here 5 range of 5 I am appending in this one, and we'll see what will happen. First enter, nothing will happen because it is opportunity to write if you want to write something more. And second enter, you see it has this I has entered in the range. In range means this list. It took the 0. Then again it catch this first element, first index. Again second index, third index, fourth index. So this is the way it is happening. This I have written print inside the loop so that we can see it. If I had written it outside, for example, if I write here print L, in that case we could not see it happening. Directly the final one will be shown here. So there we wanted to see it happening, that's why I took it inside the loop, and this is the function of I. So I admire this for loop very much because in these three letters it has condensed information what to do. So the action is iterating, it goes inside and grabs the element one by one. Now we'll see one more example of this one. I say for I in range 10 print I. So as we discussed the last time, it goes inside and prints, and the time is very fast. Now there is an inbuilt program that after first printing, it goes to the next line. If you want a different way, we can go like this: print, excuse me, print I, comma, and we can modify end is equal to space. We can do that. Then it won't be one after one, but it will be on the same line. I will do it again. And the inbuilt program is go for new line, but if you want to change it, we can say that end is equal to space. Then it will be on single line. You see, 1 2 3 4 up to 9. You see, it is excluding the last number. Okay, but it is taking 0, so number of indexes is same as the given 10, right? Now we'll see some few examples of this. I'll say for I in a range say 11, okay, colon is a must. Then I'll say if I mod 2 equal to 0, I have to give here also colon. So these small things are very much necessary because program is designed for that. So here I have to give colon. Yeah. So what it will do, if the number is divisible by 2 and no remainder is there, that means it is divisible by 2, it will print. That means it will print all the even numbers, right? Print I. So it has taken all the even numbers. If I say it is not equal to not divisible by 2, then it will take all the odd numbers, right? Quickly we'll review it. Same thing, but here I am saying it is not equal to, that is denoted by this exclamation mark. So for making clarity, I'll put like this. Okay, so I is not divisible by 2, then print I. And I want it in the same line, so I'll put end is equal to space. Okay, so you see all the odd numbers in the list has come. Likewise, I'll take a fresh one very quickly. If I say, okay, we'll do it in the next tutorial. Okay, so that's all about for loop. Thank you.